Hey, alright. Why does that look like that? Oh, that's weird. Hi! What the fuck? And I decided to keep the tripod. Whoa, professional. Excessive maybe? I don't care. No, it is kind of excessive, but it looks really cool. This week's video, I have a confession to make. I am a hardcore stan of Emma Chamberlain. I feel like that's what my daughter will be in the future. I have unwillingly just kind of mothered her and want to protect her at all costs. She is 19 years old. She's not that much younger than me trying to act young. She has a coffee company, and if you've known me and followed me for the longest, I've had an unhealthy relationship with coffee. Just like her. Anyways, I can drink coffee now, and I figured what better way than to buy some coffee off of Emma Chamby. I asked a few people on my Instagram because I didn't know which one to get. I think I'm just gonna get the social dog one she has. Oh, 10% off my first order. Don't mind if I do. Check my text. Checking text, Emma. Got it. So I think I'm going to get the social dog. One, it's in a pink bag. Two, I like dogs. It seems less intense, medium roast. I personally like that Starbucks. This is the one I'll post right here. The Starbucks blonde roast one in the yellow bag. It's literally like $5 at Target. This coffee's $20. I'm literally paying just because it's Emma. I'm gonna purchase this and then I'll check back. I hope it comes this week. I'll check back once it arrives, okay?
Days later.
It is almost a week later. I don't remember when I ordered the coffee, to be fair. I was going to do like a cool little shot. Maybe I'll still put it in there, but I don't want to lie. It came while I was working out and my mom brought it in. I'm a bad liar. There it is. Come on. Betty, come in. I hope you enjoyed that fake fake post office delivery because it was really fake. Time to unbox. Watch it not even be the coffee. I'm assuming it's the coffee because I didn't order anything else. Yeah, it's the coffee. Well, it comes with the coffee and a return label. That was really anticlimactic and I'm slightly disappointed. That was really boring. But here it is. Chamberlain coffee. It says good vibes only. I got the social dog blend because it's a medium roast. I'm not much of a dark roast person. I don't want to make this a coffee video. I'm just gonna try it. I hope it tastes good. Oh, if you'd like to follow me into the kitchen, I'll meet you over there. I didn't see you there. Penny, ow, stop it. I'm disinfecting it because I'm a wimp. I'm a scaredy cat. Call me what you will. But I call it safe. I'm washing my hands again. Here she is. I'm just gonna put a disclaimer here. Please, no coffee snobs come watch this video because I used to be one and I'm not anymore and I don't think it's fair and I really just let people make their coffee. Who cares? I use one of these. I got it at Home Goods a while ago. I have my 2 ice cubes and I'm gonna go fill it up with water. I fill it up like right about under the valve. You can kind of see. Make your coffee how you want to make it. I'm just showing how I make it. And now we open this. I got the grounds. You open it on the perforated line. Did not come with instructions. Yeah, I'm just gonna assume that. I always open things wrong too. Yes, it is. Oh, and it's a Ziploc baggie. That's cute. Smell test. Okay. To be fair, it smells just like my Starbucks coffee that I get, like the bag. That's the coffee that I usually get. I paid $23 for this. I have high hopes for her. I usually do 3 tablespoons just so I know the measurements. It does, however, look nicely more grounded. Okay, you can tell it's, oh my god. It's nicely grounded. Obviously of a little better quality than the Starbucks one. The Starbucks one is a little more grittier. This one is nice and finely grounded. And that's enough coffee snobbing for me. I'm closing it up. Let's make it cinematic. While that's boiling, I'm gonna prepare the rest of my coffee. I take it really easy. It's actually very complex. Don't look, my mom's gonna get mad. So I take a regular mug. Oh, it's Starbucks. So sorry, Emma Chamby. All I do is I put some honey in there. This one is from Whole Foods. It's the Light Amber Mountain Forest US Grade A honey. I like it because there's a little bear. And that's it. I put a generous amount. I'd say I fill up the whole spoon. I like it sweet, what can I say? I think it's about to boil. I just poured it in. The first thoughts, it smells really strong for me, but I'm gonna stick it in the freezer for a bit so it cools off. I like it iced, but I don't like putting it super hot into ice because then it just ruins everything. So, put it in the freezer. We're back. Time has passed. Whoa. And I'd figured I'd do it here because the lighting was better. Okay, so it's a simple recipe. You have your ice, the coffee that was in the freezer. Hopefully I don't make a mess. That was a clean transfer. Beautiful. Okay, I do notice, I mean, I've used it before. Emma uses the nut pod, although she does blur it out now. I wonder why. I'm just using the original almond and coconut flavor. It's dairy free. Just make sure you shake it really well. There we go. That should be good enough. For my personal preference, I take my oat milk and I foam it up, but I add some vanilla extract to it. I also forgot my straw. I just add regular vanilla extract to my milk. And I add the tiniest bit because it is pretty strong, but I do like that vanilla-y flavor. Oh, that should be fine. I'll keep it there just in case. I'll take my frother. This one I just got from Amazon. And make sure it's nice and frothy. This one actually cost me 10 bucks. I know they have more fancy ones. Perfect. And remember I said no coffee snobs allowed. You can put as much milk as you'd like. Now for the important part, which is the taste test. I'm kind of scared, but let's try it. It's good, but very strong. Wow. I mean, there's milk in there, obviously. But that's just me because I'm super caffeine sensitive, but I do like caffeine, but it's like a very light sweet spot for me. If Emma drinks this every freaking day, that's intense. But it's really good. Was it worth the $23? Probably not, unless you're a fan of Emma. To purchase it every single time, I don't think it would I don't know, I feel like there's other coffee out there, but if you're a coffee snob, it's to each their own. Everyone has their own preference. But now I'm gonna have breakfast and enjoy the rest of this. I'll check back later. Later in the day, I just did my workout. Oh shit, I'm a little wobbly. A lot wobbly. All right, don't be alarmed. There's still ice in here. It's still cold. Still the same. I love Emma Chamberlain. She's really cool. Really proud of her. Stan her 100%. ChamberlainCoffee.com. I don't know. I'm still gonna drink it. And you know what? I also figured, let's make this video more fun. Let's make some rings. I got this kit off Amazon. I've made some already, but I figured I'd make some more because my boyfriend requested. But I keep them all in here. I do need to practice more because they tend to break and fall apart. Let's do a fun transition and let me shower and get ready. 3, 2. Wow, what a clean, oh my god, my plants are missing. Okay, what a clean transition. I even did my makeup. And if I'm being honest, I'm lying. It's the next day. But we're gonna pretend it's like all one day. Fun vlogging video day. That's all I got for you. So, to be quite honest with you guys, it's been a rough week in the sense of like I've been so unmotivated and just bored. I hope this video is fun and I wanted to show you guys how I make my rings. Plus I feel like it'd be a fun thing. I'd do this if I had friends. Don't feel sorry for me because I'm fine. This is a clay that I got off Amazon. Let's just have some fun. My boyfriend actually asked me to make him another one because I made him one and it probably broke. Don't know why they keep breaking, so if you have any tips as to why they break, I don't know, just help me. Comment down below if you know why they're breaking. He's actually on his way, so let's fingers crossed that I can make them on time. I think he'd like this green. He likes green, but he also did buy a polo shirt, which I feel like he's gonna wear today. And it was like this blue color. So we'll do this blue. Ooh, I'll do like little polka dots of like, what goes good with blue? I wanna do like yellow. Little yellow stars would be fun. So we'll do blue and yellow. I hope I remember his ring size. I'm just gonna take a chunk. Like about this much. I use like a glass surface. I have like this little coaster thing that is pretty cool. I think that should be his size of his finger. If not, maybe a little bit bigger. Well, I have this yellow. What yellow would look better? Alright. I'm gonna take like little bits of it and roll it up and make like little polka dots because I think that's cute. That's the ring. It kind of reminds me of like the Flintstones, low-key. That's kind of big still. My neighbors are so loud, I'm sorry, but it's Easter. I'm sure a lot of people are having fun. But I've been here waiting for freedom. And by freedom, you know what I mean. Hey, hey, vaccine. Are you guys getting the vaccine? I know a lot of people are. And then I know some people that aren't. So let me know if you're getting it, why, or why not. I'm just curious. I like to hear other people's point of views. You tell him, Penny. There it is. He's so cute. So cute. Please excuse, like I said, it's Easter. A lot of people are celebrating. My little tiny orange. Tangerine. Whatever. I like miniature things. Ta-da! It was supposed to be black and white checkers, but it does not look like that. Okay, so I makeshifted this little tray. It's just foil. And I kind of shape them into the ring shape because it's pretty flimsy. Make sure they stay like in a circular shape. These are my rings. So cute. I'm gonna put it on like a pizza tray. Oh shit. For real? For real? That just fell. Fuck the tripod, am I right? It's fine. I'm so sorry. Putting it in the oven with the bound lighting. We will love to see it. And the rings are done. So I'm gonna take them out. They look pretty delicious. We'll let them cool for a little bit. They're right there. And Victor's actually here. So let's go say hi. We're obviously masked because, hello, pandemic. Say hi.
Buenas tardes.
At least wave because they probably can't hear you.
All right.
You're asking. So I decided to do a voiceover to this because my neighbors were partying way too hard. I brought out the rings and had him close his eyes because I'm cheesy like that. He liked all of his rings. I made myself a mini watermelon one and then a matching tie-dye one because we're best friends. Oh, he's so cute. He dropped his ring. But anyways, that's how they all turned out, and they fit all pretty well, except the big Flintstones one did not end up fitting him. I don't know what I expected. But anyways, those are the rings. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on all my socials, and make sure to stay safe out there. See you guys next week. Bye!